everyone, it's Tara here from Charlie. Today we've had the most amazing masterclass with Chris Mackett, who is an unbelievable chef, I have to say.
Thank you very much indeed.
A little bit of applewood on here as well, just to add a bit of extra flavour whilst we're searing. It's an indirect way of cooking, a bit like you would get in the Marche region of Italy. Now they're going to go in and just finish off cooking, and all I want them to do in the middle is warm. I don't actually want them to be hot. I'm going to put some salt on plates, we're going to take them through, and you're going to sit down and eat these. To be honest,
okay, chef, we ready? Yeah?
Some will be bigger, some will be smaller, a little bit of management. Some might even come out a little bit early.
On the other hand,
English sparkling, there we go.
It's December, it's cold outside. And what have we had today?
It's very chilly outside. So we've cooked a bit of a feast today. We've cooked carabineros with a little Bloody Mary ketchup. That's just a nice little snack to get started. Then we moved into the black truffle Tomworth and a Serrano ham pizzas with a little bit of a white base on there as well, a little bit of truffle oil running through as well. Then we moved to doing the scallops baked in the shell, some very foraged seaweeds. We've got a little bit of smoked butter and caviar sauce, a little bit of apple and cucumber running through there as well. Delicious, all baked on the Charlie. Anyone else can do it. Pumpkin, pea and pine. No, not pea, there's no peas.
sounds like an advertising agency.
I know it does. Then we stopped on the venison with coffee, pumpkin roasted with bacon and maple, and there's loads of the garnishes on there as well, which you guys will check out later. So cooking on the Charlie, I have to be honest, the experience I've had has been fantastic. You know, it is an oven, but actually the ability to move all the bits, all the movable parts in and out, move those different, whether it's the perforated tray, whether it's the planches, searing the scallops, moving it in, searing to venison to move those griddles lower down, superb. It's a really versatile piece of equipment and I love it.
Well, all I can say is a big thank you and I can't wait for dessert.
Thank you very much. Cheers, thank you. And if you're not quick enough,
you're one of my...
I'm going to eat the rest of them because they are ready. Thank you very much.